Hey girl, in this video I'm gonna show you this gorgeous unit from Hergivenhair. This is probably one of my favorite units so far because it's just giving me, I don't know, I just can't describe it, but I feel like Beyonce. Can I say that? Okay, so if you want to see more details of this unit, keep on watching. So Hergivenhair did it again, and they came through with a beautiful unit, and this gorgeous unit is called Jay Bigga. Okay, it has a super soft 3B 3C type of texture. It's 22 inches and the color job on this unit is just phenomenal. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is obviously style this unit with water, some leave-in conditioner, and some curling custard to make the curls pop. But you're gonna see throughout the video how I do that. I'm gonna show you some close-up shots on how beautiful these curls curl up because the definition is real, guys. So yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite units so far. The color is like a ginger, copper, auburn, light brown. I don't know how to describe it, but it's just a ton of colors in one unit and it blends so effortlessly. So whoever did this, whoever colored this unit, is a professional. Definitely. And on top of that, detangling this unit is a breeze. As you can see, this is the first time of me detangling the unit and there were literally no tangles in this hair. So yeah, styling was manageable. Even though this is a very dense unit, it's high density, right? So it means that it's very thick, but however, it didn't feel like it. It was very lightweight and the curls were fluffy and easy to style. So yeah, I didn't have any problems with styling. And here you can see that the curls clump beautifully. These are the ends of the hair and there are no frizzy ends, no stringy ends, no dry ends. It's just all super beautiful. And the quality of this hair is amazing. You guys know how Hergivenhair does in this industry. They are literally the #1 experts when it comes to curly textures. I've been using their hair for 5 years now, and it's the only brand in this whole hair industry that is very consistent with the quality and that is worth your coins, because you will not be disappointed if you receive a Hergivenhair unit because it will literally last you for years. I have hair that's still sitting here in my wig closet that I received from a couple years ago and it's still flawless. And obviously the unit comes with bangs and the bangs are so easy to style as well. You just define them or finger coil them with a brush. I'm using a tangle teaser. You can see how easily those curls curl up so the bangs are not awkward or they don't frizz up or they are not too short, whatever. The bangs are long and you can cut them to your liking, which is a great thing because some people like long bangs, some people like short bangs. I personally like medium bangs, but I will cut them later in the video. And here you can see again the color transition, how beautiful it is. Oh my gosh, the roots are dark, which makes it look super natural, and it transitions in this beautiful ginger, copper, burnt orange hair color, which is so beautiful. So after styling Jay Bigga, oh my god, I love that name so much. It reminds me of Jay-Z and Beyonce. I don't know why. Okay, I quickly diffused the hair for like 15 minutes. It dried very fast, which is a great thing as well, because with this much curly hair, you might think that drying the hair would take ages, but it didn't, sis. So yeah, I'm super happy about that as well. And installing the unit was super simple as well. The wig cap is nice and snug. It has an elastic band in the back, so if you want it a little tighter or a little looser, it don't matter. You can adjust it to your liking. Okay, so then I went over to give the hair some volume, which is very easy to achieve with this type of hair, but I didn't want to mess up the curls. I just needed to make sure that the hair was 100% dry before I went over to cutting, because you know, if the hair is 100% dry, it will give a realistic view on where the curls are going to fall naturally. So that's why I'm cutting the hair in a dry state. So like I said, I like my bangs medium and I cut them to my liking, and girl, this was the end result. It's beautiful. No, seriously, like this is definitely my favorite unit so far. And I know I say this for every Hergivenhair unit, but every unit I get is just getting better and better, and I love them so much. I recommend Hergivenhair to anyone. I know their units are a bit pricey, but you definitely get what you pay for. You get an amazing, high quality, gorgeous, the most natural looking wig ever. Like everyone's going to think that this is your hair, and yeah, this is ultimately the goal, right? So definitely click the link in the description box. It will direct you to Jay Bigga, the exact unit that I'm wearing now. And let me know what you think of this unit, girl. Do you like it? Would you rock this yourself? Let me know down below in the comment section. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, girl. I really appreciate it if you watched until the end. It helps me out so much. And yeah, girl, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.